What's the name of this resort, hon? We're in Batalan, the Haya Beach Resort. I think it's the Haya Nature Resort. And they have 13 rooms and a nice big swimming pool. Huh?
Hoya Hotel.
H-A-Y-A, I think, right?
H-O-A-Y. H-O-Y-A.
Okay. And they have 13 rooms, and you got to book it in advance because they don't let you come in if you're not. You can't come in just to eat a meal.
And
They're
already fully booked. When they fully book, they don't allow the customers. They don't allow
people to come in for a meal.
Yeah.
Don't allow it. So
They don't allow.
So we just got to walk around just to check it out. Here it is. Show around. And try to come back. So
I think the rooms over there. The rooms over there.
They look like hotel rooms, or what do they look like?
It's like a houses.
Little houses.
Look like a houses. It's nice. Thank you. Signing up. Oh, wait lang.
Want to see if they have a calling card and call them up, phone number?
Yep. That's us in the front desk. Okay, here's the front desk.
Okay.
Thank you. Meron po kayong calling card?
Yes po.
Ayun, Hoya. Ayun.